friends, in this video I will show you how to fix printer size user intervention required in Windows 10 or 11. So to fix this problem, search here services. So open services. In this list, you need to find out print spooler, this one. So double click on it. Now startup tab, select automatic, then stop, then start. Now apply, then here click on OK. Now close it and restart your system. So this is the settings guys to fix and resolve printer size user intervention required in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching and comment this method work for you or not.